This video is about keyword arguments and default parameter values. So sometimes a function requires many arguments. In such cases, a function call can become very difficult to read. Furthermore, a programmer might easily make a mistake when calling such a function in the ordering of arguments is given incorrectly. So always, while specifying multiple arguments inside a function, try to maintain one order and be careful about what values you are using. See this example. Okay, I'm just going through this portion. So here the first call to the method or function student, a default parameter John is passed. So for the first name, the John is going to be accessed. Now last name is assigned to Mark, studies in standard, that is fifth standard. So first call will return this print statement printed in the output in this way. That is with one positional argument to the method call. Now we are passing three positional arguments to the student method. So first name will be provided as John, last name Gates, and then standard as 7th. So it should display in this way. So in the method definition, the values that it's already present up there, that those are not going to be used. Rather, we are going to use the values that are being passed to the method here. Now, two positional arguments, let's say you pass John and Gates to the method. So for the first name, it takes the John, and then our 7th, it takes the last name. So in here, the variables values, those are present in the method definition. Those are called the um, default parameters, but in the function definition, function call, the arguments that you are passing, those are called as keyword arguments. So if the default some value is going to be used in the method call, then those values specifically are going to be used in the method definition, not the default parameters values present in the method definition. Now let's see another one. So here calling the methods or functions with keyword arguments. So if you call the method like this, student first name equal to John, so then what happens? So it goes to the method definition. In the first name, it should assign John. Last name, it should take the default present. And then studies in and standard also, the default value is fifth edition. So this is the statement that gets printed in the output. In the same way, if you call the method with passing first name and standard as like this, so for the first name and standard, it's going to check, going to pass the keyword arguments, and for the last name, it will take the by default argument value present in here.